So, tuloy po kayo. Let's close the door because it's cold today. Welcome to our humble abode. Before we start the house tour, a bit of a background of this house. So, 6 years ago, we signed a contract with a builder. And then, 2016, 5 years ago, when we moved in. So, kung makikita nyo, lahat ng paint, fixtures, tiles, kami lahat yung pumili ng husband ko. By the way, siya ngayon yung kumukuha ng video.
Hello, hello!
So, the house is also in the market right now. And meron na kaming potential buyer, so hopefully mag-push through. Ang dami ko pang paandar, kaya start na tayo ng house tour. Moving to this area, we have our powder room. And on this side naman is our mudroom. So, ito yung pagaling ka sa garahe. So, dito mo isasabit yung jacket mo. And then, when you remove your shoes, tapos yun, meron tayo ditong coat rack, tapos may shelving para sa mga iba't ibang gamit. Balik tayo dito. Ito yung office ng husband ko, ni Alex. So, dito kami usually nag-edit ng mga videos namin. And we gonna move to my favorite area. One of my favorite, anyway. Our living room. So, ayan, may pagka-minimalist ang style namin kasi gusto ko lang talaga yung malinis sa mata. Furnitures mostly are from EQ3 and Revolve here in Calgary. And this is our wedding picture from Montreal back in 2010 when we got married. Ang tagal na natin. So yeah, sobrang ganda. Tapos ito yung pinagawa namin to dito. Yung builder namin is Morrison. We really like their work. And yeah, sobrang talagang maaliwalas lang. Nakaka-relax. And moving to our dining. Ito naman, from Revolve, itong furnitures na to, glass table and the 5 chairs. Mahilig yung husband ko sa mga plants. Kaya madami tayong makikitang orchids. Meron din kaming calamansi. So we have here where we eat. And one of my friend's daughter, she loves to switch it. And if you're a Filipino, gross, diba? Pero I love you, EJ. Kaya okay lang. Anyway, moving on. This is the glass sculpture by Jim Norton. Unfortunately, passed away na. He's one of the famous glass artists here in Calgary, Alberta. And yeah, yung mga makikita nyong gamit dito, mostly gifted by our friends. And down below is our wedding photos. And dito naman yung favorite ng husband ko. Joke lang.
Yeah.
So, meron kami ditong gas range kasi sabi nila mas masarap daw yung ulam pag niluluto sa apoy. And I think I agree kasi mas masarap nga. And here is our built-in appliances. Very convenient talaga. So ito yung microwave, ito yung oven, and then meron din tayong drawer dito sa mga kaek-ekan. And this is our fridge. Buksan natin. Tada! Wala masyado kasi pag nagbebenta ka ng house, you really can't use your kitchen kasi mabilis siyang madumihan and it takes a while, diba? It takes a lot of effort to clean the mess. Pero miss ko nang magluto Lalo na yung sinigang na nire-request
paborito
lagi.
ko. Yeah.
Nire-request lagi ng husband ko. So, hopefully soon, right?
Yes, hopefully.
Yeah. So, ito yung main floor namin. Sobrang ganda talaga, kaya pag nabenta to, mamimiss ko siya. Pero I won't miss the mortgage kasi dito sa Calgary, you have to apply for a mortgage. So technically, this is not our house. It belongs to the bank. And if you don't pay your mortgage, wala kang house. So, let's go upstairs. I almost forgot. Meron pala tayo ditong pantry room. So, ito yung lagay ng mga grocery foods namin. And kaway-kaway sa mga mahilig sa chocolate dyan. So, yeah. Popcorn para sa movie night. And itong mga spaghetti sauce. Filipino spaghetti sauce. Dapat magluto na pag nabenta yung bahay. So, yeah, ito yung pantry dito. Malaki siya. We really like it. And on my right side naman, coffee station. Tapos, toaster, pang-init ng water. Syempre, avocado and orange. So, start muna tayo dito. We have our main bath. Ayan. Kung may bisita, ito yung ginagamit nila. Tapos, itong painting na to, thrifted lang yan. I really, really like it. Bagay na bagay siya dyan. And may bathtub tayo dito. Ang tabo. Because we're Filipinos. So, yeah. And on this side naman, meron tayong washer and dryer. Kung mapupunan nyo, kita yung outlet kasi we used to have a stackable washer and dryer. Pero mas okay yung ganito. Kaya yung washer and dryer nasa basement na ngayon. And over this side, this is what we call den. For now, storage space muna siya. Pero malaking space siya para mini office. Let's check out one of my other favorite spot here in our house. This is our bonus room. Sobrang laking sofa from EQ3. Pinasadya talaga namin to for this space here. Para makapag-relax kami after long day from work. Most of our time, we enjoyed watching movies here. And I like hanging out also, just looking outside para lang makita kung ano yung pinagkakabisihan ng mga tao. Or yung mga cars na dumadaan. Or yung sky. Unfortunately ngayon, rainy, kaya hindi masyadong maganda yung view. Kaya wag na namin ipakita. And here, we have a leaning bookshelf. Ito yung mga books namin. Medyo nagbawas na kami ng mga libro. Ito na lang yung mga kinip namin. And this is our TV. Mahilig kami ni Lex manood ng movies talaga. Yun yung parang banding namin. So yeah, ito yung bonus room. Sobrang ganda. Pag nabenta din to, sobrang mamimiss ko yung pag-spend ng time dito. So, let's check the 3 rooms. So, first room, So, ito yung room ng mama ko. Unfortunately, nasa Philippines pa siya because of the pandemic. I really don't want her to travel. So, yeah, ito yung bed niya. And the furniture set here, we purchased from Bondars. So, lahat ng gamit, kung mabenta yung house, ibibenta din namin. And let's move to the second room, which is my office. Meron akong office tour. Please check it out. Kaya, let's move to our master bedroom. Ayan. Another favorite spot. So, the bedroom set, nabili namin sa Ashley. Ako yung pumili nito kasi parang clean and king lang ang dating. But it's perfect for this room layout. Talagang makaka-move ka. Hindi ka matatapilok or masasaktan. So, dito din yung mga pambahay namin. And yeah, sobrang nakaka-relax dito. Usually, I have my book and I just read here or watch YouTube. And yung view, maganda talaga. Let's go to our walk-in closet. So, here's our walk-in closet. Ito yung mga gamit ko dito, mga damit ko. And then, below naman, yung sa husband ko. Sobrang malinis lang ngayon dahil nga we're selling our house. And on top are all my Louis Vuitton collection. And meron link kung saan makikita nyo yung collection ko. And on this side, ito yung mga sa pants. And another area para sa mga mahabang damit. This is a really nice space, not too big, not too small. Tamang-tama lang for a couple. And let's move to our ensuite. So let's go to our ensuite. We have a bar door here.
Barn door.
Barn door.
Barn.
Barn door. So we have a barn door here. Nilagay ito ng husband ko. Thank you so much. And this is our ensuite. Meron tayong pa-fake na flower para maganda sa mata. So ito yung shower namin. So kung nagbebenta ka ng house, yung i-feature mong space dapat laging malinis. And more than 1 month na kaming hindi naliligo dito para lang malinis talaga siya. Yung bathtub, hindi ko rin nagagamit. Hopefully soon. I really appreciate that we have a separate toilet room para pwedeng mag-washroom yung isa pwedeng maligo or mag-ayos. So here, we have our sink and mirror. Had an option para dalawa yung sink. Kaya lang, mas gusto ko isa para isang linisan na lang. And I can put my stuff there. And then dito naman yung husband ko. So, yeah, 5 years here in the house. Really gonna miss this house for sure. Just really blessed. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please watch out for part 2 of the series where my husband gonna tour you sa basement and sa labas. Please hit that like button, subscribe. We will really appreciate it. And until next time, bye!